Let's start exploring Tour Matrix. Log in by entering your user credentials. To create an inquiry, click on the Add Inquiry button and select Agent Mode. Let's now create a B2C inquiry for an international tour starting on October 1st for 4 nights with Thailand as the destination. Let's set the stay for the first 2 nights at Pattaya and the next 2 nights at Bangkok. In package settings, set the complimentary age up to 3 years and the child age from 4 to 9 years. Enter the guest name, mobile number and guest count. Set the rooming plan on a twin double room basis for all guests. In the accommodation section, you can choose hotels by category such as 3-star or 4-star or select a specific hotel along with the room type. For Bangkok, select Bangkok Palace Hotel with a deluxe room. For Pattaya, select Holiday Inn with a standard room. Once applied, these selections are automatically added as option 1. By clicking on Add Property option, you can create up to 5 different quotation options with different hotel combinations. Next, we attach the itinerary. In the drop-down, the system displays itineraries that match the inquiry destinations. Once attached, the itinerary can be customized using the Edit button available for each day. You can also change the cover image or update the day-wise pictures. Tour activities can be added manually or synchronized directly from the itinerary. When synchronized, all activities included in the itinerary are automatically captured and populated. Under Transfer and Transport, you can allocate vehicles, add point-to-point transfers, and enter arrival and departure details. Supplier cost can be entered on lump sum, per bed, or per pax basis. Let us proceed with the per pax option. Under the Add Supplier, I select the Thailand DMC who quoted me in US dollars. The US dollars to Indian rupees exchange rate and the per pax rate in US dollars is entered. The total vendor cost is displayed. In the Package Costing tab, you can continue without tax or apply tax either on package profit or package cost. Markup can be entered either as a percentage or as an amount. Options to add supplementary items like ticket, visa, forex, and TDS are also available. In the Quote Hub, you can view the quotation. The quotation layout can be changed by selecting a different template. You can share the quotation by applying a color theme of your choice and send it as a link, WhatsApp, email, or in Word or PDF format. To confirm the inquiry, set the receipt schedule and click on the Confirm button. Now, client confirmation, tour voucher and property vouchers with your company logo and hotel logo can be generated and shared with your guests. Thank you for choosing Tour Matrix, the smart travel software. Simplifying travel business operations with smart automation, seamless management, and powerful growth tools.